Frustrated with no audio device installed popping up on your PC? Tried rebooting, nothing works? Stop searching, this is the video that's going to fix it for real. I'll show you the exact steps in order to bring back your sound, even if Device Manager shows nothing. And no, this isn't one of those useless update drivers copy-paste videos. The real reason why this happens. Before we jump to the fixes, here's why you're seeing this problem. Windows Audio Service crashed. Your drivers are either missing or corrupted. Hardware detection glitched during startup. But don't worry, we're going to reset all of this step by step, and by the end of this video, your sound will come back. 1. Restart core Windows Audio Services. Let's start with the simplest, yet most ignored fix. Click on Search, type Services, open it. Scroll down to Windows Audio, double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. If it stopped, click Start, apply, OK. Pro tip: if you see Realtek Audio Service, repeat the same steps. This alone revives sound for many users instantly. 2. Hidden driver updates via Windows Update. Next, we'll pull hidden driver updates from Microsoft. Open Settings, Windows Update. Go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates. Under Driver Updates, look for Realtek, Intel SST, or High Definition Audio. Download and install them. Also, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Why this matters? Windows Update silently patches audio bugs here without notifying users. 3. Deep Device Manager Fix. Still no luck? Now we dig deeper. Right-click Start, Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. If you see your speakers here, right-click, Enable Device. Right-click again, Update Driver, search automatically. Do the same under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Don't forget to click View, show hidden devices to reveal ghosted drivers. Finally, click Action, scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to rediscover any missing audio hardware that's not showing up. 4. Uninstall and reinstall drivers cleanly. If Device Manager still doesn't show your audio devices or they're glitched, right-click every audio device under Audio Inputs and Outputs and Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Uninstall device. Under System Devices, look for anything audio-related, uninstall those too. Restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall default audio drivers after reboot. This fix clears out corrupted drivers that typical updates won't repair. 5. Correct playback device selection. Sometimes, Windows just selects the wrong output device. Right-click Sound icon, Sound Settings. More sound settings. In the Playback tab, right-click your actual speakers or headphones, set as default device. Click Properties Levels, set volume above 80. Go to Enhancements tab. You can experiment with enabling/disabling enhancements. This ensures Windows isn't routing your sound to a virtual device you don't even use. 6. Power Flash Hardware Reset. Last and most powerful, the Power Flash Reset. Shut down your PC completely. Unplug power cables, USB devices, headphones, speakers. Press and hold the power button for 25 seconds. This drains all static charge. Reconnect everything and boot up. For laptops, remove the battery if you can, or just follow the same process. This fix resets hardware-level glitches that no software method can fix. Alright, if you followed these steps in order, your audio device should now be working perfectly. If it did, comment "Sound Fixed" below and let others know which step worked for you. If not, I'll personally help you in the comments. No bots, no copy-paste replies. Subscribe for more real fix guides, not the generic ones that waste your time. See you in the next one.